High up in the north of Germany, the Meldorfer manufacturer in Schleswig-Holstein has been producing Meldorfer flat-facing bricks by hand for more than 40 years. With their unique optic and design, Meldorfer flat-facing bricks give buildings character and individuality. They resist high loads on the facade from wind and weather. Original Meldorfer are perfect as a finishing coat in a traditional clinker look. We would like to welcome you to the technical support video of the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. And we, that is
Markus Rau, technical supporter for the original Meldorfer, and
Sven Timmermann as customer support manager responsible for our Meldorfer customers all over the world. Our product was developed for the thermal insulation composite system. You can apply Meldorfer flat-facing bricks to mineral wool as well as to polystyrene insulation boards. Our flat-facing bricks also have a number of advantages to offer, because you need less adhesives for insulation boards during processing, if you choose the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks as a final coating. We also have advantages in the area of doweling. Dowels, for example, do not have to be used. With the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks, you do not need field definition joints on the facades.
And by the way, Sven, because of its low application thickness and its low weight, the Meldorfer is more cost and time saving to work with compared to solid bricks and clinker brick slips.
Perfect, isn't it?
The Meldorfer flat-facing bricks can be used in many ways. We can be used on combination facades, monolithic construction methods, of course facade insulation systems and interiors.
Speaking of interiors, Markus, Meldorfer flat-facing bricks are ideal for interiors because of their high design diversity. We can adapt to many designs, colors, shapes and structures according to your wishes, and thus develop very individual interior designs with the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks.
Yes, that's right, Sven. And there is another special tip for interiors, because here our Meldorfer flat-facing bricks can be used without joints, which can give a very playful and harmonious picture in your interiors. The bonding and jointing of our product is carried out in only one work step, with only one material, which saves costs and time compared to laying clinker brick slips. Our product has a high stable value at the facade. We are frost resistant, UV stable and have a very high mechanical load.
On the outside as well as on the inside, our Meldorfer flat-facing bricks are truly multi-talents because of their design, individuality and variety. They are ideal for use on various facade systems indoors and outdoors. They save you money and achieve a fantastic look on your facade. In the following chapters, we would like to introduce you to the world of the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. For example, we will cover the basics of installation.
Yes, for example, the right layer size. Which format takes up how much space on the facade? Where do I start with the installation?
But also what kind of designs option in the joints do I have with the Meldorfer flat-facing bricks? There are differences too.
Yes, for example the brush paint joint, that is the classic Meldorf jointing, or the flush pointing. What are the differences? What has to be taken into account?
Yes, and then which real corner-facing bricks do I have to use? For the revels on windows and doors, what is the right corner facing if I want to be creative there?
Yes, for example, certain corner-facing bricks are decisive for the type of bond that my facade should represent. If I use 3:4, do I use 1:1? These are questions that must be asked urgently before installation.
And of course, the definition of the correct dimensional chains, so that your flat-facing bricks correspond perfectly with the corner-facing bricks, with the heads, but also with the Sturzwaagerecht bricks. And you get a perfect installation pattern on the facade.
Exactly, that's what we are talking about today. How to define the right dimensions of every material so that we are both Meldorfer flat-facing bricks and you, our customers, speak the right language and there are no misunderstandings.
And it's all about the processing of the Meldorfer compound. We want to show you too what the right way is.
Yes, for example, what can I do with the Meldorfer compound? Can I only use it to model corners or can I also use it to create whole facades?
And then, when everything is finished, we also give you tips to clean the facade. What might have to be done in the future on your facade. There too, there are tips and that we would like to share with you.
For example, how much bar can I use to clean a facade? Which nozzle should I use? Can I add cleaner to the water? These are questions that we will clarify in this video.
And then we will answer the frequently asked questions about our product, so that you can get professional results on your facade quickly. This video provides a good guide to the correct application of our Meldorfer flat-facing bricks on the facade.
Now follow us into the world of Meldorfer Original and we will start with the presentation of the right tools.
I wish you a lot of fun with our video.